How to create NGL link and put it in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, head towards Play Store or App Store and then search for NGL app. Once you find it, you simply need to tap Install and download the application on your device. Once the app gets downloaded, you simply need to tap on Open button to get questions. Now tap on Get Started button. Confirm your age and tap on Continue button. You can easily choose where you want to add or use Instagram, NGL, and then you have to choose a username. Here you can easily add your Instagram username. Now tap on Continue button. You can choose the profile picture and tap Skip button. Then you will land on this page where you have to allow NGL to send you notifications. Now tap Copy Link, and after that, you simply need to exit from this app. Head towards Facebook application and sign in. Then tap on three-line icon at top right corner and head towards your profile. You need to simply tap on three dots icon at bottom right corner and tap Edit button. And once you reach here, you need to scroll down and select Links. Tap Edit button. And now tap on Add Social Link. Or simply you can go ahead and tap on Add Website button, and here you can easily add the web address and tap the Save button. In this way you can easily create NGL link and put it in Facebook. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.